As humans, we must challenge ourselves and push our limits in areas where we want to be successful. Success is moving beyond staying in the comfort zone and gaining the ability to cope with discomfort and anxiety. We must acknowledge and overcome the fears within us to meet the challenges ahead. Successful people have the ability to learn from their mistakes and turn defeat into opportunity. We must remember that obstacles can only get in our way, but cannot prevent us from achieving our goals. We must constantly encourage ourselves and keep our motivation alive on the path to success. We must protect our passion at every step of life and act with the power that will take us forward. To be successful, we must first believe in and love ourselves. We must move towards our goals every day without losing our self-confidence. However, we should not forget that success is not only the result, but also the journey. In the process, we must learn, grow, learn from our experiences, and see a new opportunity to move forward with every step we take. You are a strong, talented, and inspiring person. There is no limit to what you can do. You just need to take action and not lose confidence in yourself. Success is within your reach. You just need to take steps towards it. By keeping your self-confidence alive, take steps to achieve your biggest goals and continue to share your inspiration by pushing the limits in your life. We have the power to succeed in life and achieve our goals. We have the chance to make a new start every day. The passion and determination within us encourage us to push the limits and take steps towards our dreams. It is important to make an effort to realize our dreams, work disciplined, and not lose faith. When we encounter difficulties, we should not lose courage and see them as opportunities. Success is a continuous journey, and each step of this journey makes us stronger. We should always keep our faith in ourselves fresh and not hesitate to take bold steps to discover the potential within us. Never losing our belief that we can achieve our goals with faith, determination, and patience increases our self-confidence and inspires others. The potential and resources of creativity within each of us are unlimited. Let's continue to take our steps determinedly, without losing confidence in ourselves and our abilities. Success is an achievable goal for us, and we have the tools to achieve it. Let's be willing. Let's hold on to our dreams with passion, and believe that we can overcome every obstacle we encounter. Let's start every day with a new excitement and never stop revealing the potential within us, as long as we breathe.